we have the one and only softmax function. And the softmax function is a generalization of the sigmoid function for multiple classes. So generalization of the sigmoid function for multiple classes. For a given vector of x of real numbers, the softmax function normalizes it to a probability distribution consisting of softmax x of I that we have for a given input. The output is a vector of the same dimensions as x, where each element ranges between 0, as we already know over here, or right over here, that's sigmoid, so we have 0 over here, and then 1. And all the output values add up to 1. This function is widely used for multi-class classification. For multi-class problems where it can be providing the probabilities of different classes for a single input. Probabilities of different classes for a single input, and is typically placed in the final layer of neural network classifiers. Placed in the final layer for neural network classifiers. And to go over following symbols as well. So the softmax function, we typically have E for Euler's number, and we have x of I, which refers to the ith element of the input vector. And J is the index. J is the index used for the sum of all elements in an input vector. So let me just clean this up for you folks so that way you can see the whole scope over what we're talking about. So just give me 1 second. And feel free to take a screenshot of the following. And so yeah, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, feel free to put it in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.